The hardest part about starting dropshipping is not having enough money to run ads, because I understand you want to get ahead, you want to put in the work, but the budget is what's stopping you from getting to where you want to be. Well, I have some good news for you, and that's that ad costs are slowly rising every single day, and even the biggest e-commerce brands have noticed this. That's why so many of them are cutting back on ad costs and doubling down on this secret method of getting sales that doesn't require any capital investment. They spend nothing on ads and keep all the profit after fulfilling an order. In this video, I'm going to break down my exact blueprint to how I market my products with this exact method. And this is the same system that's made me over $700 profit in one single day. And I'll even show you 5 live examples that you can replicate right now to start seeing results. This secret method is organic marketing, which I tie in with dropshipping, so it becomes something known as organic dropshipping. Now, what's organic dropshipping? You find an already selling product online and you source it from China, you list it on your own website, and when people buy it from your website, you ship it directly from the supplier to your customer. Now, what makes it organic is that before you even build a website, you have to send yourself one copy of the product. And with that product, you film viral short form content. And when viewers see your videos, you're gonna convert that attention into sales by listing the product on your Shopify store. And the best part is all the money from those sales goes straight into your pocket because you don't have to touch the product again. You're just gonna ship it directly from the factory to the customer. Your supplier handles all the inventory and shipping, so your job is to just post videos daily and make money on autopilot. So now that you understand how the business works, there's 3 main steps that go into starting organic dropshipping. The first is finding your winning product. Now with organic dropshipping, we're looking for a different niche of products, okay? We're not really looking for problem-solving products. We're looking for products that have a wow factor. We're looking for products that people are just going to buy on impulse without thinking much about them. So don't think of selling like back pain, acne products. Think of selling something simple like a plushie, 3D posters, fluffy slippers, and it's best if the product is non-functional. Drop a like on this video if you guys would like the next video to be 20 products that you can sell right now in September and October. The second step to starting organic dropshipping is to warm up your accounts. Now, the plan is to post on every corner of the internet as long as it has short form. So you're gonna make an Instagram account, a TikTok account, a YouTube account, a Snapchat account, an X account, a Pinterest account, anywhere you can think of. And you never wanna start posting videos on a brand new account. You need to warm it up first. So what does warming up mean? You need to act like a human on the account. You need to watch a few videos, you need to drop some likes, you need to comment on a few videos, save them to your playlists, and keep doing this for around 2 days before you start posting. And ideally, you should be doing this while the product is on the way from the supplier to you. I recommend you to have an iPhone X or higher for filming organic content because Android cameras are just not good, and I'm done pretending that they are. The third step is finding and saving viral content which you will recreate with your product. You never want to reinvent the wheel. Find what's already working and iterate on that. Now in 2025, you can't one-to-one copy other videos, but just copy a lot of what's in the video, but change 1 or 2 small things. You also want to use the viral sounds in your niche. So let's say I was selling a football product. Some sounds I would be using are Balana or Ankara Messi. Or if you're selling products related to a TV show or anime, I would use a soundtrack from that show. And if you're unsure about the viral sounds in your niche, just search up your niche's hashtags and you're gonna find them pretty. But when in doubt, use funk. Now, as promised, I'm gonna hop on my burner account and find 5 viral video ideas that you can recreate right now to get more views, and that means more sales on your product. Alright guys, I'm on the burner phone. Now let's open up Instagram.
She told my baby dance to 3, and she looked at me and showed a photo. Baby cried, his eyes were like mine.
Now that's not really a viral video format, but the sound, that Billie Jean remix, is definitely viral right now. this is a viral video format right here. So basically, they put the paper down. I mean, you just watched it. Yeah, but doing that is a viral video format. And actually, I want to show you guys something because so many people be doubting me. The other day, someone asked me, did you make more money when you were teaching people or when you were drop shipping? I'm like, well, no. Nigga, I'm still drop shipping, bro. How would I teach people if I've retired, bro? People just be saying anything, but yeah. See, here are mine. I recreated this video earlier. As you can see, I have all of them with the different, pie charts. I really run this business, bro. Every day. That's why I make money. Every day. Basically, the whole idea is that they spin it, then they get frustrated, then they fake spin it, and then the key goes and hits their product. Look, here's another similar one. And people are getting stupid views doing this. Like that video, okay, that's not that crazy, 17K, but if you're a beginner, bro, 17K is like a dream.
3, 2, 1. Let's see how it comes out.
Yeah, so that's another one where they pretend like there's something in the pan and they flip it over. And on top of that, they stacked it with a viral sound. Both of these are actually with viral sounds. Now, the one thing you're gonna notice about organic content is the videos that go viral. Damn, I'm leaking my two-paid commerce source. But yeah, the videos that go viral are the ones that have retention. So they make you wait a bit before they show you the product. And that's because when the social media platform sees that people are staying longer on the video, it assumes that it's a really good video and it pushes it out to more people, meaning more views, meaning more sales. Here's another one. So this piece of content has a lot of variants. Sometimes they put it in a bucket and stir it with water. Sometimes they put it in a pan, put spices and turn the heat on, act like they're cooking it. But the main goal is they're showing like different elements that would be related to the product. Then after they cook it, they show the product. Oh, the sound too. This sound ain't that viral. Yeah, so this is like a similar one. They also do it to the microwave, so I'm not gonna count that as another one. See, here's another one just like the one I've been saying. You know it's a viral content idea when every organic dropshipper is doing it. So here we have another one. Pretty much the same thing. This is a different one, so it's like an unboxing kind of video. The whole goal of the video is just to waste as much time as possible before you show the product because of retention. So, they unbox it. Usually you have to unbox it in a pretty interesting way. You can't just unbox it normally. So you can see it's using a blowtorch. Then it's ripping apart the, whatever it's called with so much force. So those things obviously help the virality. And as you can see, that video alone has 7,000 retweets. What? And as you can see, that video alone has 7,000 reposts. So you can just imagine how many views it has. Look. Am I lying, bro? I'm giving you all the real sauce.
He's such a mystery.
Same unboxing thing. It's the same product even, just in a different niche.
Talks about his past.
Cooking, like I said. Yeah. So this is the fourth idea. So they basically go to like a shop. Then they pretend that the product is being sold in that shop. And at the end they say, just kidding. We make them, link in bio. And this is the last example. So this one, I think it's kind of falling off, but basically, they have the product like this, and they tease it slowly, then at the end, they turn it. Pretty simple one. I'm actually going to upload one like this tomorrow. And yeah, those are the 5 viral video ideas. If you guys would like more videos on organic dropshipping, step-by-step guides, including how to scale organically, then you should join 2Paid Commerce. What's 2Paid Commerce? That's my dropshipping community, where when you get in, you have access to all these other dropshippers who are building together. You can talk to them, people that know more than you. And not only that, you also get the full A to Z dropshipping guide. That's product research, website building, ads, emails, everything for only $20 right now. So if you'd like to learn exactly how I did a 1K day, then the link is gonna be in the bio to join 2Paid Commerce. Keep grinding, stay hard, never give up. Peace.